Hey campers, we're doing a strawberry cheesecake pudgy pie today, so let's get started. First, spray your pie iron, then you're going to bust that can of biscuits open. Flatten out your first one and add it to your pie iron. Before I added the strawberry pie filling, I chopped it up just so the strawberries would be a little smaller. Add a couple scoops. Then you're going to take some cream cheese and add it on top, as much as you want. Some people suggest mixing powdered sugar with the cream cheese. I just sprinkled it on top. Then you're going to take that second biscuit, flatten it out, and put it right on top. And pinch the sides a little bit just to seal everything in. Close up that pie iron and take it right to the campfire. Find a good place to put it right in the coals. Just a couple minutes on each side should do it. It doesn't take long for it to turn into this beautiful golden brown dessert. Look at how good this looks, you guys. You could add some whipped cream, ice cream, and make it even better. This was a really great treat and we all loved it. And I hope you love it too. Don't forget to follow for more recipes, ideas, and finds.